Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'll show you how we can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, hold the power key, select power off, and when the phone turns off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will take us to boot mode. There we go. So from here, using only volume keys, you want to scroll down till you see recovery mode right here. Confirm it with power key. Next thing you will see is Android with no command. Once you do, hold power key and press volume up while holding power key. There we go. And there we are in the recovery mode. Now in this mode, again, you will use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now that in mind, we can reboot the device and go back to Android, reboot to Bootloader, which will take us back to the first screen that we've seen after powering off the device. We can enter Fastboot mode, which I believe just opens up a new recovery mode, and that is considered a Fastboot mode here. We can apply updates from ADB or SD card. We can wipe data, factory reset. We can mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the phone. Now, because there's nothing more to show, I'm just gonna go back to Android by selecting Reboot System now, confirming it with power key, and simply waiting for the device to reboot.
Hello, Moto.
And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.